Okay, just a little update. This is what we finished up with. Well, it's not finished, but it's kind of a spot where we can stop. This is the spring that is coming out of the wall behind the cabin. The good part is this is where the outdoor kitchen little space is going to be. So we're going to finish this and improve with a spring box with some gravel, some concrete and stuff to make it so it's clean and catch basins, so we have good. Very thankful. Looks like we're going to have good, clean water right behind the cabin, actually coming out of the hillside. So it is flowing probably, I don't know, a good, even with what we've got right here, probably good, maybe. Look at the output of it, 10 gallons a minute. I mean, it's really, some parts of it are rolling pretty good. And I think, I don't know how much we're going to get later, but if you see, this is one little spot here, and then it keeps picking up stream there. So I think we're going to have good water. There is a year-round spring that is a few hundred feet down this embankment. It's actually on another parcel. But I think we've kind of tapped into that same strata. So if I was a betting man, I would think that, we're going to have a year-round spring here. So this is a pretty cool thing. And it is, some of the stuff is actually soapstone. I mean, you got to dig into the stone, so it was a little bit of a rough going, and we're going to improve it. But now at least we're at a stopping point to where, you know, once we dug into that hill a little bit, it was starting to flow down into the cabin, back of the cabin for the footings and everything. So now I think we've dried that out a little bit, so we can start back on cabin. All right, this video today is not really a very exciting one, but water is important, And this was a little bit away, but I think the one, we got it trenched around and dug out to where it's not flowing by the cabin, but also I think we're going to have year-round water. Have a great day.